What is USDT? USDT, or Tether, is a cryptocurrency that falls into the stablecoin category. The key feature of this stablecoin is that its value is pegged to a fixed asset, such as the US dollar. To put it simply, 1 USDT is equivalent to 1 United States dollar. This makes it highly convenient for preserving capital and avoiding the volatility of the crypto market. USDT is issued by Tether Limited and is one of the first stablecoins to emerge in the market. In terms of popularity, USDT currently dominates a large market share and is widely used across most major exchanges. From Binance and Huobi to decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Strengths of USDT. Why is USDT so popular? Stability. USDT offers traders a safe haven to convert their assets from cryptocurrencies into a stable currency, especially during market volatility. For example, during a sharp market downturn, you can quickly convert Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies into USDT to avoid losses. High liquidity. Since it's widely accepted across most exchanges, buying, selling, or converting USDT is simple and accessible anytime. Can USDT replace other stablecoins? But is USDT perfect enough to dethrone other stablecoins like USDC or BUSD? In reality, Tether has faced controversies regarding financial transparency. Some investors are concerned whether Tether has sufficient reserves to guarantee a 1-to-1 value ratio. This is why many people prefer USDC, as it undergoes regular audits and is considered more transparent. Additionally, other stablecoins such as Binance's BUSD or MakerDAO's DAI also have unique strengths, from lower transaction fees and multi-chain support to decentralization. So, is USDT strong enough? The answer is, it depends on your needs. If you prioritize convenience and high liquidity, USDT is a worthwhile choice. But if transparency or decentralization is your concern, then USDC or DAI might suit you better. What do you think? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.